Okay.
Yeah, very welcome to the Advent Calendar tradition. We are pulling the winner for tonight out of here. I have my two reindeers with me. They came in my sleigh. And what is up for winning is a tour to the next Nobel lectures. Hopefully they will be in presence again in 2021. So you can win that, but only one of you can win that, and the rest of you can win some pencils or pens. And we decided that reindeer number 1, this is Louisa, will draw the prize, and Francie, reindeer number 2, will actually read it out. So Lulu, you start, and you give it to Francie.
Number 130.
Lulu, the next one. So number 130 is the Nobel Prize tour.
103.
That's one of the pens. Pen number 1.
113.
Pen number 2. Louisa, 2 more.
485.
And the last one is...
And 501.
Alright, this is it. I hope you will enjoy your pens or your ride to Stockholm, which will include the flight and staying there overnight. And we wish you all
A Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year. All the best from Dortmund out there.